I'm Amanda. Welcome back to 5-Minute Cantonese Vlog. 大家好，我係 Amanda，歡迎收睇5分鐘廣東話 Vlog. This time, I have filmed a very short video related to the temple. And let's learn some basic vocabulary related to the temple in Hong Kong. Let's get started.
今日帶大家嚟到銅鑼灣嘅三角天后廟船。你哋知唔知香港有超過350間天后廟㗎？以前香港好多漁民出海前都會祈求平安。咦？呢間廟明明叫廟船，點解唔係船嚟嘅？原本佢真係一艘船，2023年先搬上陸地。以前嗰艘船仲喺度，將來會改建成博物館。入鄉隨俗，我哋裝返支香啊！首先點香，通常裝3支。香海拜一拜，再香廟拜一拜。完成，祝大家身體健康，下次見，拜拜。
Let me introduce you some famous temple in Hong Kong. 天后廟，天后廟。There's another one very famous in Wong Tai Sin, even the metro station named Wong Tai Sin. 黃大仙祠，黃大仙祠。Pay attention, we don't use the word 廟 here. 黃大仙祠。This one is Sha Tin, 萬佛寺，萬佛寺。
Another one also in Sha Tin, Che Kung Temple. 車公廟，車公廟。Of course, this is one of the list, the Big Buddha. 天壇大佛，天壇大佛。Do you know the Big Buddha is an extension of this monastery? Pauline Monastery, 寶蓮禪寺，寶蓮禪寺。
Last but not least, this one is really beautiful in Diamond Hill. 芝蓮，芝蓮淨苑，芝蓮淨苑。Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson today. If you want to learn Cantonese with me, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you want more worksheets and supplementary or exercise, please support my Patreon page. See you next time. Bye bye. 下次見。